Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a GraphQL API deployment to a new VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the current GraphQL API deployment on your existing server. Connect to your current VPS using SSH. Run your standard SSH command followed by your username and server IP. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your GraphQL API is hosted. Check for any environment configuration files, such as .env, that may contain sensitive information. Back up your application code, which may be in frameworks like Node.js or Ruby on Rails. Execute a command to create a compressed archive of your application files. Use a file transfer protocol, like SCP or SFTP, to transfer the backup file to your local machine or directly to the new VPS. Next, connect to your new VPS using SSH. Ensure the necessary software and dependencies are installed on the new server. This may include Node.js, a database system, or any other service your GraphQL API. Upload the application archive file to the new VPS. Once uploaded, navigate to the location of the archive and extract its contents. Recreate your environment configuration files on the new server. Double-check that all the environment variables are correctly set. Next, install any required dependencies by running the appropriate package manager command. If your GraphQL API uses a database, migrate the database schema and data to the new VPS. Connect to your database system on the new server and import your backup if needed. After setting up the database, run migrations as necessary to prepare the database for the application. Start the application server to ensure the API is running properly. You may want to use a process manager like PM2 to keep your application running in the background. Test the GraphQL API endpoint to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. Finally, update any necessary configurations like domain name system, DNS, records to point to your new VPS. Monitor the application closely after the migration to ensure performance and stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.